Okay, hi, it's Tutorial TV, and today, well, since I just learned how to do this, I'm gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube with a screwdriver, and not by, like, turning it or anything. It's kind of cheating, but you don't take the stickers off. Just telling you right now. So, like, if you can't solve it, and I really don't want to turn this at all, because it took me a while, I'm going to be doing a lot of fast forwarding in this. Just like if it takes me like 10 minutes to do something, I'm gonna compress it, whatever, into like 10 seconds. I don't know. So I hope you like this, and stay tuned for more stuff. Hopefully I'll do some more origami. Hopefully I'll get going on all of my walkthroughs and maybe some other stuff. Yeah, this channel is such a hodgepodge of stuff. I hope you like it. Okay, so this is kind of going to be what the end product's going to look like. If you want, you can mess yours up. I really don't care. But, okay. Oh, wow. You can mess yours up, whatever. But first, you gotta try making this as square as possible. And then take the top one, turn it like this, okay? So it's like that. Then take your screwdriver and like jam it into right here, and I'm making myself look bad on camera. Then you just like keep popping it up till it finally comes off, see? And then you could just continue doing this for a while. See? Just to let you know, this one right here, the middle one, does not come off. So you know like which side is which. Okay, so right now yours should look like this. Kind of looks like a plus, like a, I really don't know. Kind of looks like a Rubik's Cube that's been taken apart. Yeah. I have an imagination, I know. Okay, so let's see how to start. Okay, right now you don't need this anymore, so just like throw it away. Well, not throw it away. You might still need it for something else in your life. So, let's see. First, you kind of want to divide these into two groups, or a lot more. Okay, so see these? See how like different it looks? Then this. Well, you really can't, but on yours you should. Well, they're two different groups, so I'm just gonna do this and sort through them. Ow. Oops. Hate it when I hit the camera. And then that goes there. Oh, that's actually kind of better view. I'm just gonna fix the tripod a little. Move it over. Wish I didn't hit it. Why am I narrating my life? Okay, so right now you could focus on whatever color you like first, but this is how I do it, so listen. Okay, so see this one, green and orange? Find the spot that's green and orange and put it between them. You might need to use a little force, but you know. So let's see. Nope. Should've sorted these out better. Okay, blue and red. Let's see, blue and orange. Rubik's Cube, why do you make me look bad on camera? Green and yellow. I mean, what? Not yellow. I'm not colorblind. And I just learned that that's common. Come on. There. So right now yours should kind of look like this-ish, if you're following how I'm doing it. So right now, just I'm gonna focus on white. I'm gonna finish the white one, which probably isn't a good idea, but see, these go on in the middle part, and these go on the outer parts. So I'm going to match the colors up, and then find another one of those colors. No, it's like a big puzzle. Sometimes I really hate puzzles. I'm sorry for all you puzzle folks. And I just use the word folks. The first one's hard to keep on, but now this is kind of where it gets harder. Let's see, nope. White and blue, white and blue. No, that's white and orange. White and green. Blue and white. See? There, like snaps into place. Yeah, so this is kind of hard, but hey, you'll have a solved Rubik's Cube when you're done with it. So yeah. This, and it would help if I match the colors up right. And I don't break this. Oh yeah, don't use too much force where you're gonna break it. It's not a good idea. I'm just saying that right now. It's not a good idea. Green, nope. Green, white, orange. I'm not good at puzzles. I'm just saying it now. Okay, now the last one of these, first side is harder than the rest, but just use some force. Now then you just need to do the bottom. So match up your colors, and then you should be finished in a couple minutes. This is actually the fastest I've done this. Some people can solve them good, some people cannot solve them at all. I could take them apart and put them back together. For this, you just like put it in. Force one side in, then try forcing the other, and just like keep rocking it back and forth until it goes in. It's easier with the beginning one. Yeah, I'm just taking this part off. I don't know why puzzles hate me so much. I'll try getting more videos up. Come on. Hit the chair too. Well, if at first you don't succeed, have someone else do it. That's how it goes, right? What? It's not? Man. Oh yeah, sometimes turning it might help. Like, might help put it in. I don't know why, but I just know that it works. See? Eh, what did I say? What did I say? Wow. Yeah, it might also help pull it apart. There. That's better. This one goes here. This one goes here. There, did it. So now you should have, if you followed this or did better than me, or can actually solve it, you should have a fully solved Rubik's Cube now. So if you want me to do any other videos or anything, just message me, comments on here, comment on my page, whatever. Just not one of those comments, be actually solve one. I am not going to do that till I learn how to, and I won't. I won't.